Okay, I just got this yesterday. It is freaking awesome. Although I've never flown one outside, I can't because I'm a placement set. So, I'll just fly it in here. This is the first time I've been able to fly it with a somewhat fully charged battery. So, here goes nothing. Pointed downwards. There. There we go. Okay. Here we go. Oh, you gotta turn that controller. Okay, dumbass. Freaking awesome. Hi, camera. Hi. Oh, bye-bye.
Oh, he hit the wall.
Oh, God, oh, God, oh, God. And just say, ah!
There's only a camera on the front?
Yeah, there's only a camera on the front, but hey, the Kindle Fire HDX 3rd Gen, get your figure out of the way.
It's not in the way.
Dang. This thing, it normally gets higher on a fully charged battery, but right now it's just being, well, a pain. Takes about 15 minutes to charge, I believe, and it can go pretty fast. Into the bathroom.
Trying to figure out how to make it go forward. What do you need?
Move, idiot!
Huh?
Gotta double tap it.